Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Betterment for investing account setup, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start with Betterment, visit their official website. Locate the Get Started button on the home page. Click on this button to begin your registration process. You will be prompted to create an account. Enter your email address in the provided field. Create a secure password that meets the required criteria. Confirm your password in the adjacent field. Review and accept Betterment's terms and conditions. Proceed to click on Create Account to continue. Next, you will need to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from Betterment. Follow the link provided in the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Betterment website to log in. Input your email and password to access your account. Now, you will be asked to provide personal information. Fill in your full name as it appears on your identification. Enter your date of birth in the specified format. Provide your home address, including city and state. Next, input your phone number for account security. Betterment may ask for information about your employment status. Select your job title and the name of your employer. Then, you will need to provide your annual income. This information helps Betterment understand your financial situation. After filling in your personal details, click Next. You will then encounter Betterment's risk assessment questionnaire. This questionnaire helps determine your investment preferences. Answer the questions honestly to receive tailored recommendations. Once completed, submit your responses to proceed. Next, you will review Betterment's investment plans. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.